Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Ashuras recipe. Today I want to share a delicious spicy fried fish recipe that make with yummy sauce. Mainly it's a Thai recipe that can see in the restaurant, but if you want to make it at your home, then follow my recipe step by step. After cooking that, it taste is very awesome. You don't believe it if you're not cooking it and taste it. So let's get cooking and start now. First, for this recipe, I take a big pomfret fish. You can use any fish. I clean it nicely at office screen. Make sure this fish would clean nicely and perfectly. Then cut both of sides with a sharp knife. If you cut like this way, the fish fry will go well and crispy. I take this fish at half kg more weight. You can use any kind of fish and any small or big fish. That doesn't matter. You should careful to cut it because of fish bone. You can see carefully how I cut this fish, and you can use any kind of cutting shape in this fish. It doesn't matter. See how I cut this fish. If you cut like this way, then the fish will looking great and very attractive to eat after frying. For marination, I put some salt in this fish and marinate it. You have to use little bit salt because it's the sea fish, that's why it's needed little bit salt. For cooking, I arrange all the ingredients with cutting step by step, and I cut onion with finely chopped, and garlic also. I will cut the garlic in finely chopped. Then I will cut the bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. You can use here any kind of bell pepper like red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Then I cut red chilies and green chilies also. Then some coriander leaf. Cut it with finely chopped with a knife, and I take some onion leaf. It has good taste for this fish recipe. You can skip it, but I think you should use it. Here are other ingredients that needed for this fish recipe. Here red and green chili 1/4 cup, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, garlic chopped 1/4 cup, onion chopped 1/2 cup. You can use more. Then fish sauce 3 tablespoons, onion leaf 1/4 cup, and yellow bell pepper 1/2 cup, and coriander leaf 1/4 cup. Then salt as per taste, and oil for cooking 3 tablespoons or more. Here red chili sauce 3 tablespoons, chili sauce 3 tablespoons, and normal water 1 cup, or can use more if you need it. Put some oil in a fry pan for frying the fish. When oil is little bit warm, then have to start frying the fish. I put the fish in the frying pan to make sure this heat is very medium. Otherwise, if you use high heat, then fish will be burned. You have to wait until it's not brown in color. If fish color is brown or golden, then it's very perfect for this Thai fish recipe. This fish is almost golden in color. It's very perfect for this recipe. My fish frying is very done. Then I put it another plate for next step. I put some oil in another fry pan in the stove. Then I add all these ingredients step by step. First I put onion chopped, and then garlic chopped that I cut already. Then stir it nicely and wait for it's not brown in color. When its color is light brown, then have to add another ingredients. In this time, make sure heat is medium to high, otherwise these things will be burned. See, onion and garlic chopped already brown in color. Then I add here red chili and green chili that I cut. If you want more spice and you like to more spice things, then you can add more chili, that red chili or green chili. Stir it nicely and wait for cooking. When it's cooking, then I add some water, otherwise these things will be burned. That's why I add little bit water, slowly little bit water. Then this masala will be nicely fried and nicely cooked. Then time to add all ingredients. Firstly, I add here yellow bell pepper, chopped yellow bell pepper. You can also use here red bell pepper or green bell pepper. Its another name is capsicum. You can choose any one. It's nothing matter. Then add onion leaf. Then add coriander leaf. I use 1/4 cup coriander leaf here. You can use more as per taste, as your choice. Then lemon juice that I squeeze from the lemon. Fish sauce. You can use here also soy sauce. Then it would be more tasty. And stir it nicely. You have to wait until it's cooking and stir all together things that mix up nicely. So let's see, it's boiling and bell pepper and onion leaf also be soft. Then add a little bit sugar, half teaspoon. It's become more tasty and delicious. Thai recipe also needs sugar. You also have to use it. When this sauce is become soft and smoothie texture, then add some chili sauce. I add here 3 tablespoons chili sauce. You can add more. If you want having exactly this taste, then you should use chili sauce that I make it and that I use for this fish recipe sauce. So it will be more gravy after you use this sauce. This sauce almost ready. You have to cook just 2 or 3 minutes more. For this Thai fried fish with sauce recipe, I use here big pomfret, silver big pomfret. You can use any kind of fish, but big pomfret has a very great source of calcium and it is very good for eyesight and healthy hair and skin. You also get vitamin A and vitamin D, vitamin B, including vitamin B12. So it is very important for our health. In here my sauce already ready and very soft texture, so need to decorate it. This Thai fried fish with sauce is an authentic recipe that I try to show in an easy way. Now I like to pour all the gravy sauce over the crispy fish. Then decorate bell pepper and onion leaf. You can do yourself as you like. If you love and like to eat all Thai food, then you should try this fish recipe. And to be able to prepare this fish recipe, to follow my recipe instruction, then you can get a nice result. Very important thing that if you have short time, you can easily make this recipe and share with your family and friends. Everybody will be say its taste is very yummy. You can enjoy Thai fish fry with sauce recipe without going to the restaurant and enjoy yourself and follow my recipe step by step. I think you can get a nice fish recipe. Don't be disappointed from this recipe. And I hope you have all enjoyed today's recipe, fried fish recipe with sauce. And please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel and stay with me. Thanks for watching. Everybody will be more fine. Till then, Allah Hafiz.